big field. Infield looks decent. Outfield, not so much.
It's sad that it takes such an event like this to see all of that goodness, but there's goodness all of the time. And you see it all of the time, but it was to such an exponential amount.
Several students and staff have been impacted, and the district is doing what it can to help.
We want them to not worry about not being able to attend Dakota Valley School in the fall, because we'll take care of that.
One thing is for certain, students who call Dakota Valley home will be back in the fall.